Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can share Ring doorbell with family. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, you have to make sure that you have access to your Ring app on your mobile phone. Now afterwards, go ahead, tap on it. Once you have opened it up, you will be able to find this kind of interface, right? Here in this dashboard section, simply go ahead, if you haven't, simply set up your devices. Once you have done so, tap on this 3 horizontal line on top left corner, tap on devices option. Now you're here in the section. If you haven't, as I mentioned before, tap on set up a device and simply set up a device that you have connected. Once you have done so, you will be able to choose the device where you would like to share the access. Go ahead, tap on the device you want to share. Now scroll down and tap on this option of shared access. Then you will be able to access this option of add user. Go ahead, tap on it. Enter the email address of the person you want to add as a shared user. Now there in the section, you have to toggle on the devices you wish to share again. Simply go ahead, tap on this grant access once you have done choosing the devices. Once you have done choosing the devices, now tap on the send invite option afterwards to share the access. Once you have done so, they will simply receive the shared user invites on their email address. They simply have to open it up, accept it, and now they will be able to simply share the access for your Ring device just like that over there. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.